I wanted to do classic neutral eye tones when it comes to the eyeshadow tutorial. I have faith everything is going to work out. I'm still going to stick on the side of neutrals. I just want them to pop a little bit more than they usually would. Ideally, we would want a nice neutral shade to be blending our transition shade, which would go primarily in our crease, blended together nicely with a nice eyeshadow on the front of the lid, which is pretty much what we're going to be following today. I'm going to be taking my Morphe eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to take this really nice fluffy rounded shadow brush, and I'm going to pick up this shade here, and I'm going to place that all over the top of my eyelid. In the beginning, you really want to just simply tap the color where you want it to go in order to get the best color payoff. I am also blending that color down in like a V shape around the outer areas of my lid because I want my transition shade to be able to really be nice and blended. Now that we have gotten a nice placement for that shade, I'm going to go back into my Morphe palette and I'm going to take this color here and I'm going to focus this color in this outer region of my eye. Still using tapping motions, I'm going to be very precise with where I want the color to be. Remember that you're going to be picking up shadow once you lay down the color where you want it to be in order to intensify the color. Now me, I like to stay right in, if I place this brush here, if I look up, that's like right in the little corner, outer corner of my eye. I like to pack my crease color right there and blend it all up the ball of my eye. You see how my lid goes in right there? I like to concentrate my crease color right there and bring it towards around about the middle of my eye. And I also like to go on the lid towards the back portion and concentrate some of the color there as well so that the lid color has something to blend into seamlessly. Now once I have a general idea of where I have my crease color and my transition color, I do like to help the colors blend together by pushing the crease color upwards into the transition shade, and I do spend a bit of time here going between the two colors, ensuring that everything is blending together seamlessly. This is me now taking that transition shade from earlier and just further using what's left on the brush, picking up here and there, but staying relatively in this outer area and just helping the colors blend together. Now once everything is nice and blended and looking relatively seamless, I'm gonna go in with a round top flat brush. It's very, very flat. And I'm going to pick a lid color and I'm gonna place that right here, and that's going to create a nice pop of color. I really feel like using this color here. I'm gonna lightly tap off some eyeshadow because as you can see my base is already done and I don't want to get any eyeshadow on my face. But honestly, when it comes to picking your shadows and things of that nature, it's all trial and error. It really takes a deal of practice and just taking your time and getting a feel for like what really looks good on you. Baby, this is not shining at all. So what I also like to do is take my setting spray and spray my brush, and hopefully that ends up giving us the look that we're going for. And as you can see, just doing that small step kind of helps the color pop a little bit more on the lid. Now you want to use a tapping motion to place this color on your lid as well. As you can see, that is what I am doing here. Now already this is looking super duper nice and simple for the eyes, but I honestly wanted a little bit more drama, just a tad bit. I wanted the outer corner to be a little bit more darker, so I am going to go in with this color. I want to use this color, and I'm literally going to keep that simply on my outer V. So now I'm about to use this brush that's kind of, is the word tapered? Is the word tapered? Tapered, it pretty much goes up at an angle, and I'm going to literally place that right here in this outer section, just right here. And I'm moving my brush like this so that I can place it exactly where I want it, but we're literally staying right in this outer portion and just blending up just a tad, because I want it to be a bit darker, a bit deeper in my crease. And like I said before, I pretty much just go in between the colors, playing with how they are blending together until I am happy and satisfied with where all the colors are placed on my eye. Since we're doing so much to the top, I want to bring some of the drama to the bottom of the eye. So I'm going in with this super duper flat skinny brush, and I'm going in with that deep purple shade that I put right on the outside of my eye, and I'm just going to tap that underneath the eyeliner, making sure to keep going back in to add more. That way we add a little bit of va-va-voom to the bottom. And there you have it, you guys, a really nice, simple, but put together tutorial on how to do basic eyeshadow. I hope that this video was very insightful for you guys. If it was, leave me a like, and I'm going to be dropping a part 2 all about the details when it comes to the eyes. If you do not want to miss that video, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell for notifications, and I'll see you guys in my next video.